Look, I'm not going to gatekeep. This is the most important question I believe that I ask my family law clients. I'm the principal solicitor and director of a law firm in Brisbane. We've helped thousands of clients over the years navigate their family law matters. This question I ask is, I believe, the most important question I ask my family law clients. If you wait to the end, I'm going to give you a really good example of how this can help your matter and how you can apply this question to your matter. The question is, what would the other party be saying about you to their solicitor? I don't ask this question because I'm nosy or I'm trying to come up with a strategy that's somehow going to get you ahead, because that's not the way we work in our family law firm. The reason why we ask this question is it tells me the number one problem, potentially, that you may or may not have already disclosed that's going to be brought up in your family law matter. Sometimes by doing this, it can really help a client and it can help the matter move forward more quickly, saving everyone time and money. And this is going to help you understand how in your matter, it's also important to follow this process. So I asked the question, what is your ex going to be saying to their lawyer about you? This client had minimized the risk of mental health when I had brought it up with her prior. When I asked her this question, she said, he's going to say I'm crazy and that I shouldn't be seeing the kids. I then opened up the can of worms and explored what had actually happened. The reality was I'd suffered some postnatal depression and was hospitalized for a couple of weeks. I then explored whether there was a history of mental health prior. She said no hospitalizations, some depression and anxiety, but nothing on the serious level. I said, well, what about afterwards? Has there been any further mental health issues? Have you been hospitalized? No further issues. Seen her doctor, she'd complied with her mental health plan and she'd been compliant with the medication use. She'd been seeing a psychologist regularly and check-ins with a psychiatrist as well. Great. I then asked her, what about if you get a letter from your doctor about your treatment plan and that you're compliant, and get a letter from your psychologist, how many sessions you've gone to her for, and so on and so forth. She did this. We were able to squash this issue right from the beginning, and it actually gained confidence for the other party to realize that she wasn't a risk to the kids. This is a really helpful step to take in your matter.